Hi, my name is Jim Penn. I'm the Manager of Retirement Services here at VectorVest. Here at VectorVest, our mantra is to buy safe, undervalued stocks that are rising in price in a rising market. And so what I'd like to do is take a moment and talk about the safety portion of that and focus on relative safety. Relative safety is a proprietary indicator found in the VectorVest program, and it is defined as an indicator of risk. Now, consistency and predictability of financial performance are the primary factors in assessing relative safety. Some of those factors include earnings consistency. Does the company make money quarter over quarter, year over year? We look at company size, company longevity, the dividend history. Now, good high-RS stock does not have to have a dividend payout, but if it does, it better grow and continue to pay that dividend. And then finally, the debt to equity ratio, just letting us know if a company has the ability to withstand any headwinds, whether it's specific to that company or to the overall market in general. Now, the power of relative safety can be illustrated here. I have a graph from our mobile app for the current highest ranked relative safety stock in the program. It's United Healthcare. It's a one-year graph, and the key takeaway here is that earnings per share down below over the last year, that lower left to upper right movement, along with the correlation to the stock price over that same time frame. Now, it's been a tough year in the market, but as earnings continued to rise, so too did United Healthcare stock price. So that's the power and the correlation of relative safety along with the quality underlying stock in your portfolio. Because what two words better describe a stock that you want in your equity portfolio than consistent and predictable? Hey everyone, thanks for watching. If you could just take a moment to leave a comment with any feedback you may have about the video you just watched, you can leave a comment in the section below. We really appreciate it. It helps us out. So thank you again for taking the time, and we'll see you next time.